How to design landscape lighting. That's a good question. There are several ways, but let's start with the basics. Hey, let's give your property a little TLC. You've gone above and beyond to make your home and your yard look fantastic. So why should all that hard work vanish at night? You can eliminate the darkness and put it all on display with a flick of a switch with some well-placed outdoor lights. This is called landscape lighting. Landscape lighting is an excellent way to add beauty, to highlight different features of your home while also revamping your yard and adding security to your home's garden, walkways, and entrances. In this video, we will teach you the basics of landscape design. We recommend that you start with a notepad and pencil and walk through the property to get a sense of how you envision your system. When it comes to landscape lighting, less is more. As it is with many things in life, the instinct to illuminate everything, every detail, every tree, every little nook and cranny is not only inefficient, it also can ruin the appeal of a yard. So the question is, what do you light in your yard and what do you leave unlit? Here are 3 things to consider. Identify your favorite features in your yard. Perhaps it's a pond or a particular elegant tree. Highlighting those with light will draw attention to them. Add drama to these areas that may be overlooked during the day. When illuminated by light and shadow, a simple stone wall can take on an entirely new character at night. Consider the function. To ensure that you can move around your yard without risk of injury, a deck with stairs or a curvy pathway should be lit. Always take into account having an inviting and well-lit entryway. It will safely guide family members or guests while also creating a warm, aesthetic appeal. Tip number 2, what are the best lights you should use for landscape lighting? Here are some options. Number 1, LED spotlights. This can be used to draw attention to trees, plants, and shrubbery. You can also use these to illuminate fountains, gazebos, and other garden features. Number 2, waterproof spotlights, an ideal way to be used in and near water. They're perfect for highlighting ponds and fountains with a soft glow. Number 3, LED well lights can be used in the same way that LED spotlights can, but illuminating a tree trunk from below may require several spotlights to achieve your desired effect. Well lights are ideal for highlighting the sides of a building, particular columns, and other architectural features. Number 4, waterproof well lights are typically installed in ponds to shine upward. They help to bring a pond to life at night and are ideal for highlighting any fish. Number 5, LED floodlights have wide beam angles and are suitable for lighting large shrubs along a building's side. Floodlights produce a large amount of light and are frequently used to improve safety and security. Number 6, motion sensor lights are used to illuminate a large area where it detects movement. This lighting feature is excellent for security, deferring potential criminal activity. Bad guys don't like to be lit. For good reason, most landscape lighting today is low voltage. It is safer to work with and less expensive to install than 120 volt systems. A pleasing lighting design involves more than simply choosing the right hardware. It is also about artistry. A simple system can be installed by homeowners on the weekend. However, for the most impressive results, consult with a landscape lighting specialist who is familiar with the various fixtures and how to arrange them. TLC Incorporated customizes your landscape lighting design to meet the needs of your outdoor space. And now that we've covered some of the basics of landscape lighting design and its components, our next series of videos will go over the various styles of lighting and specifically the role they usually play in a typical residential outdoor space. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one. If you are enjoying these tips and tricks from TLC, hit the like and subscribe button to receive these weekly.